Msho abaningi beni bese bezwile ngokuboshwa kaDanny Jordaan semaso kupresident weSAFA kelwa amaHawks namhlanje ezombopha ekseni. Ezombopha nje kuthiwa ubesolwa ngamacala ukuthi wakhwabanisa imali yabo wadla imali engango 1.3 million. Icala namhlanje ubeboshwe nabantu abawu2. Labantu abawu2 laba uGroni Hluyo beno Trevor Neethling yabo I don't know if I'm saying their names right but ibona bawu2 kuthiwa namhlanje banikezwe ibail ka20,000 umuntu eyi1 uthole ibail ka20,000 baphuma kade bese court ngecala le-fraud and theft. According to imedia uNeethling icompany yakhe iGrit Communications iya-accuswa yabo iya-accuswa kuleli cala lokukhwabaniswa kwemali ingakho naye ibanjiwe wayiswe enkantolo namhlanje wayothola le bail ayitholile. Kuthiwa lokukhwabanisa lokwenzeka between u2014 until u2018 if I'm not mistaken. Kuthiwa uDanny Jordaan wasebenzisa ama-resources estate yabo ukusebenzisa for ama-personal gains wakhe. Ngamanye amazwi kuthiwa wasebenzisa imali ya-government yabo ngokuyinikeza yena ngokuyithengela izinto ayithandayo allegedly kodwa yabo akwazi ukuthi iqiniso noma mangani basaphenya baseshi ngoba ekhishwe ngebenji namhlanje but kuthiwa nje wasebenzisa imali ye-state for ama-personal gains wakhe. Kuthiwa wayisebenzisa njengokuqasha i-private security yabo aqasha i-private security eyiqashela yena. Lokho wakwenza without i-authorization from iSAFA board yabo wakwenza nje eyedwa akakhulumanga neboard yeSAFA. Seke afika amaphoyisa kulonyaka ngoMarch yabo ezongena emzini wakhe uDanny Jordaan afika athatha izinto enjengoma laptop uma USB yabo gcwele khona izinto ama-evidence ezinto abangamsebenzisa zona uma kwenzeka bembopha. Kuthiwa icala lisamisiwe lizoqhutshwa ngomhla December 5 2024 yabo limisile nje bathola amabhili baphuma okwamanje isazokhulunywa icala okwamanje ikone engikwaziyo ngale ndaba le kaDanny Jordaan because khona ade bengibuza kwenzakalani ngoDanny Jordaan yabo. So I went and look ukuthi kahlahle kwenzakalani because I was shocked namekuseni ngibona indaba ngopresident weSAFA yabo. I know there are things ezenzakalayo behind the scenes because I was shocked because I was watching lento lika Ivan Khoza namhlanje benoKaizer Motaung yabo. Ivan Khoza ade nikeza uKaizer Motaung u2 million yabo. I was happy ukubona le yanto and I was shocked at the same time ngibona indaba zisurface zaDanny Jordaan uthi uyaboshwa while abangani bakhe benikazana imali kanje yabo. I don't know if bebe aware or bebengekho aware but zenze namhlanje le indaba lezi uvane lo.